Where are you going? Now remember, if you need to slow down, what do you do?
I put on the orange.
Doing a great job. Now if you need to slow down, that sounded like a train.
That sounded like a train.
Yeah.
Where's the hod?
I don't know where the train was. It's far away.
It was far, far away.
Mm-hmm.
Far away.
There it is again.
Where does it go?